I'm going to use the floor as well. Evan. There we go, that's it. That goes on there. Okay, 50 mil. Next we're doing 30 down to that's greased inside, they greased it for us. There we go. Let me pick that out of there. That just fell off. Right? Oh, see that? It goes up to there. That's supposed to stay in there. Let's try again. It's very greasy. There. Okay. What I've done, I put this too far up. Now I can't get it down. It's going to come down a bit.
I've got an idea. Since that would get stuck in there, you could pull that down with it. Pull it down with it. Like,
It's not coming though, is it?
can you hold it? You pull it down with it. Like, I don't know.
You need to pull it apart and then pull it down. Maybe with 2 Allen keys.
Pull it.
The more you pull it, the more it'll cut into the... Yeah, I'll hold it and you use 2 fingers to pull it down a bit.